Alright, YouTube. Got this iPhone 11 screen about to replace. I bought it for like 120 in Philly. It's a little bad boy. It's definitely cracked. Screen works a little bit though. I don't know if I'm gonna replace it. I got two iPhone XRs. I don't know if I'm just gonna keep this one keep this one and sell the one of my phones. Oh, let me get to it though. You can't stop the rain. You can't stop the rain. When it starts to pour. I hope my phone do not disturb. Every time I try to do a video, somebody wanna call and, you know. So like, it's when I call. It's when I do. It's like when I don't put my phone do not disturb. Make a video, somebody wanna call. I gotta know not disturb. Take it off that. I don't got no calls, no missed calls, nothing. Everything's fine, right? I don't need that nails right now. I'm trying to do it like this. I need me a good quality spatula. You can't stop the rain when it starts to pour. These are Tech Z activities. They left the blue gold tape on and stuff. They put some new tape back on though, so I'll give them points. They mid, you know what I mean? So it's a mid tech shop. Put some Scotch tape right there so the screws can never get lost. You can't stop the rain when it starts to pour. Now usually, I ain't even gonna tell you what I was gonna tell you. Usually I don't be doing the singing stuff, but you know. I'm feeling myself today. See, iPhone, like, X's and up, pretty simple, right? I think the worst phone, well, I don't know about the worst, like, phone for me, like, I was like, you know what I mean? That I opened up, it was a 4. I opened it up and said, nah, cool off this, but I don't consider myself to be a bad technician or nothing like that, but the time would have took me, I was just playing around, like practicing too, you know what I mean? Somebody came to me with $100 for an iPhone 4. And he had the screen too. Just do it. Shit, man. Take your money and go somewhere else. That's all. That's how I'm feeling about iPhone 4s. You can't stop the rain when it starts to pour. You really can't. You just gotta let it pass. I think folk, yeah. Folk will start getting his phone fixed $140 and stuff. So he just like, you know what? Let me sell this drum and money back. So he cracked it twice, so he paid $280 just for repairs, and then however much he paid for the phone. That's the thing about like investments, you know what you do. Like get a case. I don't know. People like raw dogging their phones, saying I don't like a case. If a screen cost replacement and labor cost $140, and the phone's like $500. And you type that I don't got the money to keep getting fixed, or even if they that likes your money, don't like to waste money for unnecessary reasons. I don't see the logic behind the cosmetics getting put before a freaking $40 case, I think. Walmart, these out of box like $45. It is what it is. That's how I make my bread. So, who am I complaining? I usually test it and screw everything in, just due to the fact it's so like, you know, easy. 5 screws all in my spot. I'm just gonna, you know, take the chance and test it. You can't stop the rain when it starts to pour. What's we at, like 10 minutes? 9 minutes, 25 seconds. I was looking for like a Face ID one and something like that. Touch works. I got a good little vendor. Worst come to worst, you got 60-day return. So yeah. There goes the screen right there. Camera's good. Oh shoot, no, the back glass not even cracked. Man, I'm about to sell this for like $40. That's how you triple up your money legally for iPhone. Let me see if I can do this screen, what's it called? This glass. I'm horrible at this. Case on. It's not really for protection, it's just like for looks. I don't know why. Provide this case. Yeah. Ready to sell. I ain't gonna lie, I told my mans I'll do 200 for it. But I ain't working this week. And probably next week either, so I can't be doing no deals like that right now. Thought about it after the fact. But, alright, so like, subscribe, comment. It's like a little, little video. Me doing my thing. I'm getting like, more like consistent views randomly. I get like 5 views on a video. That's not me. Like consistently. So I see my little growth starting to happen. Please start commenting though. Like, if you watch my video all the way through, leave a little comment. Tell me what's going on, how you feel about my videos. They poof, they nice. Let me know though. I'm out.